What's going on? I'm Allison. For today's video, we're doing a quick 10-minute core circuit. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to tap the subscribe button and the bell to stay notified with the latest fitness videos released every Mondays and Thursdays. All you need is one moderate dumbbell and a mat. We'll be completing 5 exercises for 2 rounds each, 30 seconds on and a 15-second rest in between. You'll get a full 1-minute rest in between rounds. This workout moves pretty quickly, so take longer breaks if you need to. So grab your weight and a mat, and let's get started. Let's do 2 quick warm-up exercises before we jump into the circuit. Go into a tabletop position, hands and knees. We're starting off with a set of bird dogs. So before you start, relax those elbows and engage the core, pulling the belly button to spine. Or an extend, opposite arm, opposite leg, nice long fingertips, bring it down, and then other side. So just join me when you're ready. Nice and easy. Good. Extend, lift, and then down. Squeeze in the glutes. Think about driving those fingertips towards the wall in front of you. Press that heel towards the wall behind you. Keeping those shoulders and hips as steady as you can. You get 6 more, 3 more on each side. There's 3. Exhale, lift. 2. Good. And then we'll do 1 more. Extend, down, and press. Go ahead and sink back for a quick child's pose. You can add some wiggles, stretching out the lower back. Very nice, and bring it up. For your second warm-up move, we're gonna go into a high plank position and do some knee drops. Now for a high plank, you wanna make sure your wrists, elbows, and shoulders are stacked. Abs are tight, lift those hips up. Squeeze in the glutes, tighten the core. So if this is too challenging, you're gonna stay in that modified position with the knees down. So for the warm-up, I'm gonna lift up, light tap with the knees, bring it back up. And while you're doing this, you're not shifting those hips, you're keeping it super stabilized. Arms are staying stacked. Inhale down, exhale, breathe. Good, this one's definitely more challenging than it looks. We're only gonna go about 10 more seconds, nice and easy. Again, holding that modified plank if you need to. For 5, 4, and then we're gonna hold 10 seconds on top. 3, 2, on your next one, hold on top for 10. 9, 8, 7, good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and everyone drop the knees, sink back and stretch. Good job. Go ahead and lie on your back with your weight. We're starting off with the hollow out hold, lifting the head up into a crunch. Fully extending those arms up and the legs out, and then curling into a ball. All right, 30 seconds starts in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Inhale, exhale, crunch. Now I am keeping my head lifted the entire time. That's totally up to you. If you like to, if that's too much strain on your neck, keep your head down, do the same motion with the body. Inhale, reach, exhale in. Making sure there's no arch in that lower back. Engage the core more or extend those legs higher. Remember, we only get a quick 15-second recovery while I describe the next move. In 3, 2, 1, you relax. Hang on to that weight. We're gonna go ahead and extend those legs straight out. I'm gonna bring it up. 1 leg comes up, crossing over, other leg, down a lift, weight comes behind the head. Ready, set, let's go. Over, down, rotate. Good. This is a big motion. You're lifting high enough till the shoulder blades are just off your mat. Whew. Exhale, inhale. Come on, halfway through. We're changing our position after this into that plank again like we started in the warm-up. Whew. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. Quickly transition, come on up. Plank passes are next. Place the weight to one side. Go into that high plank. Reach underneath, grab it, go to the other side, bring it back, keep those hips steady. Ready, set, let's go. Pass it over, set the hand down, other way. Now the tricky part of this move is keeping those hips steady. They will want to shift when you reach for that weight. Don't let it. Modification, you're on your knees. Ooh, finish strong. And go into a child's pose after this. 3, 2, 1, go back into your child's pose. Watch me. I'm placing my weight down. If it stands up, get it there. Back to that plank. Alternating taps on top. This can also be done on the knees. All right, when you're ready, join me. Bring it up. And here we go. Tap the top. Tap the top. If your weight doesn't stand up, grab your water bottle or anything and put it in front of you and just use it as a visual. Here's your modification. I'm on the knees, doing that same motion. Yes. Woo. There's only one exercise after this in the circuit, then we get a longer break. 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. Beautiful. Swivel around, take a seat, Russian twist. Heels can be down, look at the weight, rotate. Legs can be up at tabletop. Use your eyes, watch your weight, you'll get a greater range of motion. Ready? Let's go. I'm gonna start with my heels down and bring it up. You can gradually bring it up, one leg down, one leg up, and then eventually you can take both. Woo! Core is on fire. Come on. Keep it going, keep it going. Breathe. Yes. Stay there, stay there. You're gonna get a full 1 minute break after this. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good job. Take your minute break, and I'll meet you back here for set number 2. Welcome back. We're on to set number 2. Grab your weight. We're doing that hollow out hold with the knee crunch. So we're starting off in that ball position. Engage the core. Take a breath. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Extend, crunch in. Extend and out. Like I mentioned earlier, if your neck gets tired, place your head on the ground. Same motion. This is your final set. Make it your best one yet. Remember, only 30 seconds of work. 5 moves. Whew. Finish strong in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good, relax. All right, extend those legs straight. We have those big cross crunchers, extending those legs up and down. All right, arm comes back. Take a breath in and out, and let's go. Exhale, rotate over towards the outside part of that leg, kicking that leg all the way up and down. Whew. You've got it, you've got it. Breathe. Nice job. Whew. Up on deck, we're flipping it over to that plank position. Remember, we have 2 exercises in a plank. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, 1, 2, 3, rock it up. Flip it on over. Plank pass is our first. High plank on your toes or on your knees. Whatever you like. Put the weight off to the side. When you're ready, get in your position. Let's start. All right, remember those hips are staying as steady as you can when you reach for that weight. Modification, take it down to your knees. You're not stuck in that high plank position. So if you ever need to, sneak a couple of those in and then go back to this, go for it. Woo! Up on deck, we have those dumbbell taps, or have your water bottle instead. 3, 2, 1, stop. Bring it up, roll out the wrist if you need to. High plank, modified plank, alternating tap on top. All right, we're going in 5 seconds already. Get in position. Here we go. Breathe. Oh, there goes my weight. See, sometimes the weight, like this side, just doesn't want to stay on. I'm gonna try this way. There we go. Wobbly. Woo. Keep it up, keep it up. Breathe. You're in the home stretch. Only 1 more exercise after this. You got it. Woo. You're doing amazing. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Last thing, Russian twist. Take a seat, feet up, feet down, whatever you like. All right, take a breath, We're going in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Rotate. These are not fast. We're taking it slow, watching the weight with your eyes. Breathe. Remember, modify it, place the heels down. You can do one heel down, one leg up, whatever you want for 12 more seconds. Whew, this is it. Come on, finish it. Yes, 3, 2, 1, and stop. You did it. Great job. Great job on that core routine. You did amazing. Finishing off with a nice stretch. Go ahead and take a seat however you like. Place one hand down, one arm up and over, stretching out those sides. Good. Inhale, exhale, rotate other way. You did amazing. All you need is, what was that, about 10 minutes? You can stack this on top of a strength or cardio workout. You can do it on your own as an active recovery. Interlock, just kind of nice and easy, go side to side. I love workouts like this because they're short, sweet, and again, you can do this with other things. So it's definitely a good one to save. Good, center up, bring it down one more time. Inhale, reach all the way up to the ceiling and let it out. Good job. My name is Allison. Thank you so much for working out with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Great job on completing this workout. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.